Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing explorations. Hello there, and welcome to our intriguing exploration into whether animals truly shed tears. Now, we often perceive crying as a uniquely human emotion, a poignant display of our vulnerability. But have you ever wondered if our furry, feathery, scaly friends share this behavior? If you're enjoying this video so far, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Do animals cry as dew, releasing droplets of emotion from their eyes? Or is their expression of distress and sadness entirely different from ours? Stick around as we delve into the fascinating world of animal emotions. To comprehend whether animals cry, we must first understand their emotional landscape. Animals, much like humans, experience a spectrum of emotions. They feel joy when playing with their peers, fear when threatened, and sadness when they lose a companion. But how do they express these feelings? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. While humans have developed complex languages, animals communicate their emotions differently. They might show joy by wagging their tails, exhibit fear through body language, or express sadness by isolating themselves. In this sense, crying, as we understand it, is just another form of emotional expression. But here's the kicker. Unlike humans, animals don't necessarily shed tears to convey their emotional state. Instead, they rely on a variety of other signals. These signals may include vocalizations, changes in behavior, or even physiological changes. So, as we can see, animals do experience a range of emotions, but do they cry? Animals express their distress in various ways, including physical responses. These responses can vary significantly between species, but they all serve as crucial indicators of emotional distress or pain. For instance, dogs often whimper and tuck their tails between their legs when they're scared or upset. Cats, on the other hand, display distress by hissing, arching their backs, or puffing up their fur. Birds may express discomfort through changes in their vocal patterns, while marine animals like dolphins and whales might show signs of stress through altered swimming patterns or increased surface breathing. Even creatures as small as insects have been observed to exhibit changes in behavior when subjected to distressing conditions. These physical responses, from vocalizations in body language to changes in routine behavior, are all ways that animals communicate their emotional states. It's a fascinating aspect of animal behavior that continues to intrigue scientists and animal lovers alike. While these behaviors can indicate distress, it's still unclear if animals shed tears like humans do. Science has given us some insights into tear production in animals. It's a fascinating field of study, where we see that nature can sometimes mirror our own emotional responses, albeit in its own unique way. For instance, elephants, often celebrated for their intelligence and emotional depth, have been observed shedding what appear to be tears during moments of emotional distress. A poignant sight indeed, but it's not just elephants. Other animals, from seals to birds, have been documented with tear-like substances trailing their faces in certain situations. This has led some to believe that these creatures too are capable of emotional crying. Yet, it's crucial to remember that these observations are not definitive proof of animals crying as humans do. The tear-like substances could also be a result of physiological responses unrelated to emotions, such as irritation or infection. These instances, however, do not necessarily mean animals cry in the same way we do. Let's debunk some common misconceptions about animal tears. It's easy to anthropomorphize, to attribute human characteristics to animals, but the truth is, not all animals cry like us. Yes, there are instances of tear-like substances in the animal kingdom, but it doesn't always signify emotional distress. Animals have their own unique ways of expressing sadness or discomfort, often through vocalizations or changes in behavior. So while animals may not cry like us, they certainly do express their emotions. Let's round up what we've learned about animal emotions and crying. We've ventured into the fascinating world of animal emotions, recognizing their complexity and diversity. From joy to fear to sadness, animals are capable of experiencing a wide range of feelings, just like us. We've also explored the concept of crying as an emotional expression, observing how animals communicate distress through physical responses such as vocalizations, body language, and changes in behavior. We've seen that while many animals don't shed tears in the same way humans do, they still exhibit signs of distress and sadness. We've debunked the myth that all animals cry like humans, emphasizing that each species has its own unique ways of expressing emotion. So let's take a moment to appreciate these diverse emotional expressions in the animal kingdom. Remember, it's crucial to understand and respect the emotional lives of animals. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey.